Are you looking to make money fast on TikTok? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to earn money on TikTok fast in 2022. All of these are going to be absolutely beginner friendly. You can set these up extremely fast, and you don't have to show your face for some of these methods to make money on TikTok. I've been able to personally make money on TikTok using these methods, so make sure to stay to the end if you want to learn all 5 methods for making money on TikTok. We're going to be making money on TikTok using affiliate marketing. So we're going to be driving traffic from TikTok and sending that traffic to an affiliate link. And then every single time somebody clicks on that affiliate link and purchases something on what is called the bridge page, then we are going to be making money through TikTok. It's as simple as creating short 7-second videos and then promoting a link inside of your bio. So without further ado, let's jump in to the training. So many different ways to make money on TikTok, but by far one of the best ways to make money on TikTok is to promote products inside of the make money online niche. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just search for make money online. Now you can see here that there's tons of different videos talking about making money online, and they're all usually going to be promoting some kind of make money online course or training. So let me just go ahead and scroll down and click on this one right here. It takes us over to an account called Hustle with Shan, and as you can see, she is promoting a product inside of her bio, but more importantly, you can see that she's getting a lot of interaction on these videos. 10,000 views here, 13,000 views here, 12,000 views here, 17,000 views here, and she's only talking about making money online and TikTok growth tips. And the cool thing is you can make tons of money inside of the make money online niche, and if you're comfortable with showing your face, you can do an account just like Hustle with Shan, creating simple step-by-step tutorials teaching people marketing and showing them all the best side hustles that they can start today. Now, if we click on this link right here, it's going to open up this page, and as you can see, she's promoting a course called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, Build an Affiliate Business from Scratch, and that's actually a Legendary Marketer product. If you're not familiar with Legendary Marketer, it's one of the best affiliate marketing programs on the market today. Legendary Marketer actually pays huge commissions. You can make upwards of $1,000 for one sale inside of Legendary Marketer. What you have to do is just start the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, the same challenge that Hustle with Shan is promoting, and once you join that 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, you can become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that down below this video if you're interested in joining Legendary Marketer's affiliate marketing program. And not only are people like Shan making money with Legendary Marketer, if we check out an account called Twin Key Hustle, you can see right here that they actually made $40,000 in 3 months just promoting Legendary Marketer on TikTok. So it's a huge opportunity online right now if you want to make money on TikTok. Now, what if you don't want to show your face like Twin Key Hustle or Hustle with Shan? Well, then you can do something like this account right here, Maddie's Side Hustles. As you can see, he never shows his face in any of his videos, but he's still promoting side hustles and make money online programs. And you can actually use his strategy right here to promote products like Legendary Marketer and make commissions on a daily basis. All you have to do to create these videos is just film some kind of corner of your room with some lights and then just talk about the side hustles that can replace your 9-to-5, as you can see here in this video. Or you could even talk about how to make $100 a day in passive income. So it's super easy to create videos like this. All you have to do is just use your cell phone, and then inside of the TikTok app, just edit the video and add text on the screen explaining the different side hustles that you're talking about. So for those of you that don't want to show your face on camera, this is absolutely the best way to go about it. All you have to do is just join an affiliate marketing program like Legendary Marketer and put it inside the link on your bio, and then just start creating simple videos that talk about side hustles on TikTok. But what if you don't want to make videos inside of the make money online niche? Well, then you can go into the third method, which is going to be crypto, and you can make just as much money with crypto on TikTok as you would inside of the make money online niche. As you can see here, Trade with Ozman22 makes tons of different videos inside of the crypto niche, and as you can see, he wears a mask and he never shows his face in any of his videos, and he still gets plenty of interaction and engagement, and of course he's getting link clicks on his link right here. So let's go ahead and click on that and check it out. He's selling his own program right here for premium members, then he has a free Discord, and then he has learn how to day trade. So he's making money selling his own products, but you can do the same with just using affiliate marketing products inside of the crypto niche. You could become an affiliate for Coinbase and make money every single time somebody buys cryptocurrency using your Coinbase link. As you can see here, you can receive 50% of the people that you refer to Coinbase trading fees for the first 3 months. That's huge if they buy a lot of cryptocurrency using your link. And on top of that, it's really easy to create these kind of videos. As you can see, most of the time he's just either filming an app on his phone or he's filming his computer in the background with a stack of money. So if you want to get into the crypto niche, I highly recommend doing affiliate marketing and using the same strategy where you don't show your face, but you still talk about all the different advantages of the different trends inside of cryptocurrency. The fourth way of making money on TikTok fast is actually creating a health account. And you're going to be creating extremely simple videos that are basically just Instagram posts with a video inside of the background of that post. There's a lot of different accounts on TikTok who are leveraging this method. So what you need to do is you actually need to promote a ClickBank product inside of the bio of your TikTok and then direct traffic from these videos back to the bio so that you can get link clicks and then eventually sales on that ClickBank product. So I'm currently inside of the marketplace for ClickBank, and if I scroll down, I can see that there's tons of different products in the health and fitness niche. And what ClickBank does is they actually organize these based on the most popular products at the given time. So right here, Exipure is going to be the best product to promote inside of the health niche due to its rank based on popularity. So let's go ahead and just click on that to see this product, and it opens up this right here. This is Exipure. This is going to be a weight loss supplement, and you can actually promote this on your TikTok by using these simple 7-second videos that teach people different kind of health tips. I would recommend using something like a link tree to put your affiliate link in so that you're going to get more clicks on your affiliate link. But with these type of videos, you can see that here's 40,000 views here, here's 20,000 views here, here's 68,000, 219,000. So they get tons of engagement on TikTok. And all you have to do is just make sure people go to your bio and click on that affiliate link that is promoting a product like Exipure off of ClickBank. The fifth way to make money fast on TikTok is to create a woodworking account. As you can see here, these are videos that this creator does not own. He doesn't own any of these videos. These are all different types of people doing wood chopping inside of the videos, and he owns none of these videos. So these are probably videos off of Instagram or YouTube, and they just borrow these videos and they create a TikTok with that. But as you can see here, they have a link inside of their bio. And if we click on that link, it's going to take us to an affiliate marketing product. I guarantee it. So let's go ahead and click on that. And we'll click on open anyway. And as you can see, yep, it does. It takes us straight to, as we can see here, a ClickBank product that gives away 16,000 different wood plans. So every single time somebody clicks on this link and makes a purchase, Woodworking King is making money off of those clicks because he's an affiliate for that ClickBank product. So all of this is really simple. You just have to find these videos and then repurpose them on TikTok, and you can start making money. If you really want to learn how to make money fast on TikTok, I highly recommend checking out 15-second free leads. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video to this program. It's a training program that's going to teach you how to use TikTok in order to make money fast. So what you have to do is just scroll over here and then take this course. It's only going to cost $1, and that's going to teach you how to build an online business using TikTok. And as you can see here, I have 8,000 followers on my own TikTok account, and I used that 15-second free leads right before I created my TikTok, and it allowed me to come up with video ideas, including this one that had over 148,000 views, and that's how I was able to go viral on TikTok and learn how to make money at the same time promoting affiliate marketing products. So if I had to give you my number one recommendation for making money on TikTok, it would definitely be creating personalized videos inside of the Make Money Online niche. That's going to allow you to make the most amount of money because people are going to connect with you on a personal level, and you're going to be creating a personal brand, which is priceless in today's economy. So what you have to do is just make sure to follow a lot of accounts that do the same kind of thing, create videos inside of the side hustle niche, and then interact with those videos, study those videos, and then create your own version of those videos so that you can start making money on TikTok. And then I highly recommend joining Legendary Marketer. And taking the 15-day online business builder challenge and becoming an affiliate for Legendary Marketer and promoting that on TikTok. It's going to lead you to the most amount of money for the least amount of time. And if you want to get more content from me, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David. I create videos all about how to make money online and affiliate marketing. So stay tuned when I release my next video, and I will see you guys next time.